Hi students, today I am going to start new chapter matrices. This is the ninth chapter in your textbook. Definition of a matrix: a rectangular arrangement of numbers in the form of horizontal and vertical lines by brackets, square brackets, is called a matrix. Plural of matrix is matrices. Singular is matrix, plural is matrices. Now example I am giving about this definition. A is equal to, this is the symbol for matrix, square brackets. We will read in this form: A, B, C, D, E, F. These are called rows, first row, second row. So in this matrix two rows are there. What is the first row? A, B, C, and the second row is D, E, F. And these vertical lines are called columns. AD, D, BE, CF. Three columns are there. Two rows are there and three columns are there. Order of a matrix: first we will count number of rows into number of columns. This is called order of a matrix. Order of a matrix A is 2 by 3. 2 by, we read as 2 by 3. Here it is written, we read as 2 by 3. This is not into, this is not multiplications. Matrix language changes here. Rows by columns. Rows into columns, not rows by columns. The number of constituting a matrix are called its elements. What is this? You will say B, I know. This is element. We read, what is this one? Element. How many elements are there? 6 elements are there. In first row, first element. In first row, second element. In first row, third element. In second row, first element. In second row, second element. In third row, like this. You have to read. First row, third. In second row, again third. These are the columns. So be careful. Now all got an idea of a matrix. We have to arrange elements in order. First we will count number of rows by number of columns. Then we read the order of matrix A. In this matrices there are some types of matrices. First one is called as row matrix. If a matrix consisting of only one row, then we call it as row matrix. Here 2, 0, minus 11. Order of the matrix: 1 row, 3 columns. So what is the order of the matrix? 1 by 3. I am teaching you type of matrix and also order of the matrix. We represent matrix with capital letter. Second type, column matrix. B is equal to, a matrix having only one column is called column matrix. 8, 3, 10. First row, second row, third row, but having only one column. So what is the order of the matrix? 3 by 1. First rows you have to count, then columns. That is called order of matrix. Third type, rectangular matrix. What is the definition of rectangular matrix? Means in a matrix, number of rows not equal to number of columns. Suppose this example A is there. In this A, 2 rows and 3 columns are there. So rows are not equal to columns. Then we call those such type of matrix as rectangular matrix. Fourth type, square matrix. In square matrix, number of rows will be equal to number of columns. When rows are equal to columns, then we call it as square matrix. Still more clearly you can see in the textbook all the definitions. Example A, B, C, D. That is the way of reading a matrix. It is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 rows, 2 columns. First rows will come, then column. So 2 rows is equal to 2 columns. When you see like this, we call them as square matrix. Fifth one, diagonal matrix. Diagonal means you know, from top to bottom, slanting. There will be a slope. 2 0 0 0 8 0 0 0 6. Other than 1, any number you can put. Then we call these type of matrices as diagonal matrix. In this matrix, what is the order? 3 rows are there, 3 columns are there. 3 by 3, the way of reading. 3 by 3 matrix. Sixth one, unit matrix or identity matrix. 2 names are there. Unit matrix also the same. Identity matrix also the same. We will represent this as capital I. I indicates identity. 1 0 0 1. How to read? 1 0 0 1. This is also diagonal matrix, but 1 is there. If suppose 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0, this is also identity matrix. Here other than 1, that's why we are naming as diagonal matrix. So both you compare and see. Now 0 or null matrix, 2 names are there. 0 matrix, null matrix. A is equal to, every element will be 0 in this matrix. This is also 2 by 2 matrix. Whatever order may be, if each and every element is 0 in null matrix, or we call as 0 matrix. 7 types are there. Next, coming to the comparable matrices. Here I told matrix. Don't play any trick in matrix. Okay. Here matrices means we are comparing two. First matrix is 2 by 3. Second one also 2 by 3. When the orders are same, then we will tell comparable matrices. If you want to add a matrix or if you want to subtract a matrix, compulsory the order should be same. We can't add or we can't subtract different types of orders. So you have to see before addition or subtraction of a matrix. For that purpose, you are learning this comparable matrices. 2 rows, 3 columns. Here also 2 rows, 3 columns. Later on we will be going into the subject. Then again I will explain that one. Equal matrices, not matrix. To compare, 2 matrix should be there. 1 and second matrices. That's why. A is 10, 13, 8 and minus 5. B also same 10, 13, 8, minus 5. You have to maintain that distance. Don't write near. Otherwise it will be like 8 minus 5. First element, second element, third, fourth. Therefore, A and B are called as equal matrices. Because A is having same elements, B is also having same elements. Suppose in A minus 5 is there and B plus 5 is there, those 2 matrices are not called as equal matrix. Okay? Exercise 9A, first problem. Write the order of each of the following matrices. They told to write the order. This is the matrix given, first problem. 3, minus 5, 7, minus 6, 9, 4. Keep any capital letters. A is equal to 3, 5, 7, minus 6, 9, 4. How many rows are there? 2 rows are there. How many columns are there? 3 columns are there. So, 2 rows, 3 columns. They are asking to find the order of the matrix. The order of matrix A. We kept as this order, this matrix name is A. So, order of matrix A is 2 by 3. We will read as 2 by 3, not into. This is not multiplication. Though it is maths, this is we are in the chapter matrix. So, 2 by 3 order. And one more thing I want to explain. Types of matrix also. Everything I will explain because subject is there. This is called as rectangular matrix. Number of rows not equal to number of columns. So, covered everything. Coming to the second one, they have given 6, 4 and minus 2 matrix. Now I am naming this matrix as B. Capital letters we have to use, not small letters. Any alphabet, 26 alphabets are there, any alphabet you can take, which you like. B is equal to matrix 6, 4, minus 2. 3 rows are there and only one column is there. So the order is 3 by 1. 3 rows and 1 column. So we can call this matrix as which matrix? Column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called column matrix. So types of matrix also I am telling you. Column matrix. What is the order of this matrix given? We named as B. So order of matrix B is 3 by 1. We will read as 3 by 1. Coming to the third one. C is equal to matrix 10. They gave only one element. In row also one element, in column also one element. One row, one column. So 1 by 1 matrix. So what is the order of this matrix? We named as C. See properly, C. Order of matrix C is 1 by 1. We will read as 1 by 1. Second one, classify the following matrices. They told to classify. Second problem, 7, minus 8, 9, 4. I am keeping as capital A is equal to 7, 8, 9 and 4. The order of matrix is 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. So order of matrix is 2 by 2 matrix. And the name of the matrix is square matrix. Why? Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Second problem. 6, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 2. B is equal to 6, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, minus 3. Here the diagonal is other than 1. We call it as diagonal matrix. What we call this as? Diagonals. Though it is square matrix, diagonal. Diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix, which is the in the types of matrices, it is the fifth one, diagonal matrix. So one side it is square, another one diagonal. Diagonal matrix. Why it is diagonal matrix? Means other than 1 we are having elements. 3 by 3 matrix. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. Diagonal matrix. Coming to sixth one. In this matrix, each element, every element is 0. We are naming it as D. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So the order of this 2 rows, 3 columns. So the order of matrix D is 2 by 3. And the name, 2 names are there. Either zero matrix or null matrix.